I thank you for joining me. I'm going to be reading the Earth class notes taken from the writings of the 12th Apostle, entitled Continuing Consequences. The ultimate truth of God's plan has been made freely available and easily understandable in both the written and spoken record for 12 years now. And interesting to note, 12 is the biblical number of completion. This is set in motion, continuing consequences. It was God and Jesus' decision to make the ultimate truth available like it has never been done before, with those very words being a direct quotation from God Himself. For as long as this age continues, both negative and positive consequences will be set in motion concerning the acceptance, rejection, or indifference to the fact that this truth is currently available to all. One might question this, saying, but hardly anyone here is even aware of this. Yes. Yes, and hardly anyone knew or cared when the previous 11 apostles were here. Yet the fact that few knew or cared doesn't change the fact of their having been present upon the earth and the accountability that every person had at the time to seek and find the truth while the apostles remained here. That accountability still stands. The same is true for the time Jesus was upon this earth. This stands as a window of opportunity in man's brief history, and not knowing cannot be an excuse. For these ministries, the truth is they were here all along. As the seventh day of rest has come upon the earth, and the ultimate truth has remained freely available, everything cannot possibly continue without repercussions from the continuing consequences of the truth being here while it has gone primarily unnoticed by so many. One of the many continuing consequences of the truth being made available for this amount of time is that the potential of God's purpose being done on earth by man has remained at its highest possible level within these 12 years. More so now than ever before. This is a time like no other, as the central focus of heaven is upon what God's chosen will do with their remaining time here in light of all that is currently expected of them. And always remember, the ultimate truth will sustain you. This truth will sustain you through the changing circumstances to come. So, what is the continuing consequences of knowing these ultimate truths? Joy unspeakable. Until next time.